kids! My name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is
Hanan.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste. In the last video, we made the juiciest egg muffins. We promised to show you how to make the 3-ingredient whipping cream and the delicious chocolate pudding. This is great for chocolate-covered pretzels, fruits, and Dad's pudding.
Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves.
And make sure to subscribe, like, and share. The ingredients we will be needing for this yummy chocolate pudding are 10 Majdoul dates, 1.5 ounces of organic coconut oil, 3.5 ounces of organic milk.
You can use any milk of your choice.
2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic granola extract.
3 ingredients for the most delicious whipping cream.
And they are
1 cup of organic heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, and 1 teaspoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract.
We are going to mix all the ingredients. Oh my god.
Did you just hear that we are making chocolate pudding and whipping cream?
Yes.
Oh, yummy in my tummy. Let me guess. It's a healthier version of whipping cream and pudding.
Of course.
Can I please help? Can I help? Can I?
Of course.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. I love helping.
These are the end results for the whipping cream and for the chocolate pudding. So look, I'm just going to...
Whoa! These turned out to be amazing!
They sure did. Hey Sally.
Whoa! Are those 4 different types of whipping cream?
Yep.
The original in 3 different colors?
Yeah, we actually use lemon flavor for the colored ones instead of vanilla extract.
Wow, I bet they taste really good.
They sure do.
I love those shells. Are those store-bought?
Actually, Sally, they're homemade, and we are going to be showing everybody how to make them in future videos.
Whoa, cool. Okay, I guess we can start decorating. Woohoo!
Yeah, sure. Bismillah. I love the layers.
I love garlic.
Yes, I really love this healthy eating thing. I think this is very delicious. Yum, 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 yum.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you would like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy.
This has to turn haircut then.
That's fine, they can't see it.
My name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Hanan.
That's the cutest. زي الكريمة. 1.5 ounces of organic coconut oil, 3.5 What is foif? Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy.
1, go.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Hanan.
3 ingredients. 3 ingredients to the most delicious whipping cream.